Hey guys, it's me again. I'm back with another brand new informative video for you guys only. Yeah. And this time we are going to talk about 9 star. Yeah, get ready, get ready. First of all, you guys know the whole disaster for the past couple of weeks, right? First of all, 9 star actually sued fans, Thai fans mostly, for protesting against them and talking against them or whatsoever, so effed up things anyway. Now guess what? Now guess what the foolish company is doing? You guys can't even guess this. I mean, I didn't see it coming. And actually I'm laughing about it because it's super duper silly. It's so silly. What it is, allow me to say it. Let me tell you. Nine Star is actually blocking fans on different social media. Yeah, Nine Star actually blocking fans on the Twitter and on the Insta as well. How embarrassing this is, how embarrassing this is, guys. Let me show you guys, have a look. Okay, all right. Yes. Okay. Right. True. Yeah. Right. Yeah. See, as you guys have seen everything, oh my, this is so freaking silly. And not to mention how embarrassing this is. I mean, I'm not blaming them because see, they don't have any work right now. You guys know. Nine Star not doing anything. So basically, they don't have any work right now. They don't have anything to do. So that's why they are maybe blocking fans on the social platforms. Yeah. This is super silly, guys. How can an agency do this kind of stuff over a silly thing? I just don't get it. They're actually mainly blocking those people, those fans who are actually fireyokers or babies. Yeah, those who are actually talking about Fayoko, those who are actually talking about Fayoko, those who are actually supporting Fayoko, they are, yeah, Ninesta actually blocking them. Yeah, how embarrassing they can get. Man, this is another level of shamelessness. I just can't, guys. This is super duper silly, nothing else. This is so freaking funny. How they are doing it and why they are doing it, I just don't know it. They don't have any brain, guys. This is confirmed, that's for sure. They are not using their brain. They are doing every freaking thing here and there wrong, wrong, wrong. Every move they are making is going onto the drain. It's so freaking embarrassing to witness all of this, guys. I just can't. I just can't. The whole thing is, I don't know what to say, guys. It's like they're having beef with the whole fandom. Nine star. This is not worth it. This is not worth it. Trust me, you guys have nothing against the whole fandom. That's it. As I already said, if a fandom can build you, then a fandom can destroy you as well. Now, Nine Star, you guys are facing your karma. Yes, precisely. You guys are facing your karma. Nothing else. I mean, there are loads of more to come. You guys have loads of more to face in the upcoming days. Now they are, blocking fans. This is so embarrassing. I mean, just think about it. They actually sued, they actually sent legal notices. Those Thai fans who actually were talking about Fayoko, those who actually took a stand against the Nine Stars wrongdoing, Nine Stars bad deeds. They actually took a stand for Fayoko. That's why Nine Star actually sued them. A loads of them, actually more than 100. and 50, yeah, more than 150 people, they actually sued them, loads of Thai fans. And guess what, now they are doing this, they are blocking loads of fans on the online, international fans, inter fans, and Thai as well, actually, guys. This is super duper silly, as I said. And not only that, this is much embarrassing. I mean, can you guys believe it? They are such an agency and they are playing this kind of childish game with their fandom. They're actually trying to have another beef with our whole fandom. The audacity, guys, the audacity of Nine Star, the guts. I just can't. I just can't. This is. I don't know what to say anymore, guys. I just don't know. I mean, come on, just think about it. Just because they can't do anything right now, just because they are not being able to do anything right now, to those fans who actually are taking they stand against their wrong deeds, their wrongdoings. Yeah, I'm talking about Nine Star, and those fans who are actually supporting Fayoko through every hardship. Those who are still there for Fayoko. Nine Star just despise them. You guys could tell right away. Nine Star isn't liking this. Yeah, they doesn't like it at all. I mean, you guys know, as I already said it, they have nothing to do right now. They have nothing to do. That's why they are blocking fans here and there. It can't get much worse than this. No matter when I think Nine Star can't do anything much worse than this, they always prove me wrong. They always proves me wrong, guys. They always come up with better wrong moves all the time. They always come up with some sort of worse move than before. As I said, all of the things they are doing, right and left, back and forth, everything is freaking wrong. How come they don't have any brain? Oh my, I'm talking about it way too much in all of my videos. How come they don't have a brain? I mean, in the whole agency, a single person. How come the advisor as well? I want to see their advisor, that's for sure. What's this? I mean, who does this? Who does this? Who does this? Which company actually do this kind of stuff? I mean, as I said, they have loads of free time in their hands because they are not doing anything in the meantime. That's why they are passing their time by blocking the fans. What's this, guys? What's this? Please, someone make me understand this because I certainly don't understand any motive behind it. This is just whole another level of effed up. Anyway, guys, so what's your opinion about it? What do you guys feel about it? Let me know in the comment section, alright? So yeah, this was all it for today's video, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully you guys like this one. Yeah, I just brought you guys some update, that's it, nothing else. Hopefully you guys liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and do like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hopefully I'll see you guys soon, very soon, with new update, with new video, of course. Till then, take care and keep smiling. I'll see you guys soon. No worries, no worries, I'll see you guys soon. And of course, keep an eye on the channel, as I said. And guys, please do subscribe, please do subscribe. Alright, it actually inspires me most to make much more videos. Yeah, so do subscribe. I'll see you guys soon. That's it.